Jonathan, and today we're going to be learning about Lana Bounty. Challenge: experiment to find an efficient solution that works for you. I'm going to skip the middle, but even though it's really short, I'm going to just skip it because the code is going to be very long. I'm going to go to the code right now. So I'm going to do function. The name is going to be collect or accidentally forgot to capitalize the O because that's a separate word, but we have to put them together in codes. Or toggle. And in the function, we're going to say if is on gem, collect gem, and I'm going to say else if is on close switch. We're gonna go with toggle switch. Then we do another code called solve down row. So we're gonna say function solve down row. Accidentally capitalize the O even though it's not a separate word from the R because that makes row. Solve down row is gonna have a while not blocked because this is gonna stop it inside the for loop because we're gonna do a for loop with this. So first we're gonna say move forward and then collect or toggle. That's two obvious things we're gonna do because every single time we move forward we're gonna be on a space, except only when we're blocked. That's it. And then for next, when we're going to return, say for I in 1, 2, 3, because there's only 3 rows, we're going to say solve down row. And then we're going to say this part we never learned about yet, but I'm going to just give you a preview for this. It's going to say I equal 1, because this is going to be the first row we're going to go down. So then after this we're going to write turn right, move forward, turn right, and then we're going to do the next one which we're going to put it on else if I equal 2. Now this is going to be 2. And I accidentally deleted stuff. 2. We're going to do code turn left, move forward, turn left. Then after this, we're going to do the last one. Only if you want to do this one. I'm going to just do this one for fun. I'm going to say else if I equal to 3. I accidentally did something wrong. And then I'm going to just say turn right, turn right. And now I'm going to run faster. Wait, I'm going to run step through the code so you could see how this works. So first it solves down row. So it's going to move forward. It's still loading. So first it's going to move forward. It's going to find its collector or toggle. So it's going to find is on gem, but it is on toggle switch. So it will have to toggle the switch. Then it's going to keep moving forward because there's all the other toggle switches are already toggled. So after this, we're going to wait for byte to just get across. And then I'm going to show you this part where it skips that part because it's blocked. Now because it's blocked, it can't do that anymore. So it's blocked. So we have to go to I equal 1, where we turn to the next row, and then we keep doing this again. And now I'm gonna run faster. And he's gonna go pretty fast now. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also leave a like. Bye!